Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be having free HotWheels cars, which first one we got a 1959 Chevy Impala from HotWheels Bel Air series. So today let's review this car, and we also have two more cars. So first let's take a look at this car. So let's pop it open. Let's go take a look. Oh, here is the 59 Impala, and wow, I really like this thing. It's a pretty cool, like kind of 50s look with the nice chrome, kind of gold bumper. Pretty cool, like pink deco on it. I really like the purple inside of it. Has some purple like has a purple windshield. Pretty cool classic rims with the gold chrome on them. Pretty cool deco on the body of the car. It's kind of like a bunch of pink and gold and like lines around the car. There's no back tampos on the car or front tampos, but still this car is pretty cool with pretty nice purple, everything just purple on the inside and the outside of all the windows, which I think is pretty cool. So yep, there it is. Alright guys, let's take a look at our next car. I really like this one. It's my favorite so far. Next, let's take a look at another car, the 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Or it's from the Chevy Bel Air series, so it's the first car in the series. A little bit broken here, but sorry. So let's crack it open now. So let's do it. All right, here we go. And wow, this car feels pretty good in my hands. And it's actually another card that I don't have yet. So let's put it on here. So if you take a look at this card, it's got a very nice candy apple red. And it's pretty cool, like, very retro, old look. Pretty cool, like, design on the side of the car. Some chrome, 4 spokes. And it also has a big, massive chrome bumper with a Chevy logo on it and some front headlight tampos. The inside of it, it's kind of like a beigeish kind of brown. It also has another big chrome bumper on the back. It also has no back headlight tampos, I think. But still, there's nothing much to say about this car. It's pretty nice. Wow, look at that. It's simple and it's just like very classic. So now it's time for our last car, which will be the Chevelle SS Express. Kind of looks like the car in Fast and Furious, but so let's pop it open from Muscle Mania. Right here, guys. So let's pop it open. Oh, that just ripped right out. Oh, that was a very clean rip. Oh my god! Wow, look at this. If you guys are planning to buy this car, then buy it. Because, like, in person, this thing is beautiful. I love how it's all just blacked out. They just have the engine just popping out of the hood. Very small engine, but it's alright. Pretty cool, kind of silver ghosted stripes that go down the car. Pretty cool, gray rings that go around the car. Pretty cool, rims design on it. It says SS on there. Nothing too special on the bumper or the front. It's just kind of plain, but still, man, this car is, like, amazing. I love the detail on it. But still, alright, let's put the car here. And let's put our Impala. So, alright, guys, yep, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And, yep, check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, down in the description down below. But, yeah, if you liked the video, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and hope you have a good day. And, yep, bye!